Vehicle registration renewal. Before you begin, make sure uh, you have all these what I will number it now. First, your license plate number. Second, the last 5 digits of your vehicle identification number, or VIN number or whole identification number, HIN for vessel and boat. 3. Renewal notice confirming your current address. 4. Your payment information. All credit debit card transactions included an additional 1.95% payment processing fee. If paying directly from your bank account, there are no additional fees. Alright, thank you.